Let me share. Visible? Screen is visible now?
Yes.
Okay. Let other join just a minute.
And one more question. I told this before also. How can we arrange like you have arranged this? This is coming like alphabetically, C, D, E. So
Okay.
does
No,
it
no, it
come
is not.
automatically?
No, it is not. It is automatically done. It is not by
Okay.
alphabetically. It is automatically done. See, E is a greater than E and C and D. It is automatically
Yeah.
done. But you
Okay.
can, arrange the year. Year you can arrange, but this alphabetically you cannot. Okay, year you can arrange. Jan to Feb you can arrange. Quarter you can arrange. But this visited country you can't, I think, because earlier I don't do. But year is the year you can do. Okay. So see, this is the destination country, and you can just analyze into somewhere. Suppose if I want to fill here, okay, so just little small and press it here like just fix it, okay, and just go to this item, change the color, remove background. So here you have slicer header, just white, so it is little bigger, or you can just visited country. Now it's good. Okay, so you can select any one of country from here. Okay, suppose if you want to select Japan, Italy, these two, so you can select these two, and the data will be here for all the regions. See, automatically data is changing. Okay, so like this way you can filter it out. Okay, so this is your visited country, and same way this is the duplicate. So if I remove this, delete, again duplicate I want to do. This one I'm going to duplicate of this, and instead of visited you can arrange the origin country. So this is your homework. Okay, I will send it to this file, and you can put it as origin country, all your data via origin country. And the last one I will prepare for you, like this is the origin, just and duplicate. So here I want to do the hotel summary. Okay, so now we need to calculate any hotel summary wise data. So for this hotel summary wise, you have to change the heading. Hotel summary analyzer. Visited country on the basis of, so you can change this. Instead of visited country, you can go to your hotel rating, you can select hotel name. So now if I remove, go to this slicer header, instead of visitor there is a hotel name, select this, so we have all the hotels. Suppose if you select only 6-star, see, for 6-star you have all the requirement. But here I don't want this thing, this table, or if we need this table, this most visited country we don't need because we have already data. Age demographic is done, and instead of this, if I click on this copy and just paste, move up, and you can change, instead of age demographic, you can change from hotel name here. See, there is a lot of hotel because in this restaurant we have total of 614 hotel, but we need as a top 10 hotel. Okay, so just select this, go to this filter paper. This is the filter. So right now on the basis of destination, suppose if we need basis of on the hotel name, instead of basic, you can select top N. And guys, see, instead of top N, you have bottom N also. See, right now here is the top. So in the bottom also, if you select top or bottom, you have both the options. So right now, if I select top hotel, top 10 hotel only, and on the basis of total visitor. So you can select on the basis of multiple things, like on the basis of visitor, on the basis of destination country, on the basis of origin country, on the basis of rating also. Okay, like here we have a highest rating. This is the highest rating. So you can select on the basis of highest rating also. So right now I'm just clicking on the basis of hotel and see 1, 2, 3, 4. It is not good into small. I want to change it to the bigger. Visited country, not country. I want as a hotel name. You can okay. Just select this, go to this size, change the size. Title, see, like this, your table is ready. Like age demographics, it's for not age, sorry. You can also change here. This is most rank hotel or most visited hotel, not rank. Okay, so this is your most visited hotel. This is your age demographic wise. Okay, and this is your hotel wise visitor, like 6 star, or these are the total hotel. And if you select largest, so see, largest hotel is a Grand Hyatt, is the largest visitor in 2000. If you select in 2010, so the largest hotel is Hyatt, is 16 visitor. If you select in 2011, the largest visitor is Grand Hyatt. 2012, you have Galaxy model, and in 2013, you have, this is the total of your hotel requirement is done. So any other doubt, guys, you have? And this origin country you have to make with your own. Okay, so this is your homework, and then submit that file to me. So this is your first page. And also I am going to add one more page, this page 1, and just copy and just duplicate. Okay, and this is the heading. And guys, you have to make your heading. Heading means delete all the visualization from your page. And make some picture over here. Okay, picture and then summary and then destination, horizon, then hotel summary. This is your final dashboard is complete. So heading, you can arrange first page, go to back, dashboard summary. It's a dashboard. You can change here as a visited country. Visited country, origin country, and this one is for hotel summary. And see, after that, suppose when your all the pages is ready, click this page, right click and just hide. Why I'm going to hide? I will let you in just 1 second. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I want, and this page 1 I'm going to hide. So all the pages is hide, only this remaining this pages. So if I publish my report, suppose if I publish my report, only these 5 pages will be published into my Power BI service, not this hiding page. Hiding page is just a helping for our visualization helping. Click on this my workspace, then select, and now my report you have already, and just replace. Now it is just publishing into my Power BI dashboard. It will take 1 or 2 minutes as per your internet selection.
Harsh,
Got it? Yes, tell me.
Harsh, can we, is there any option in Power BI to interlink two files? Like we have made different files, right? So if I want any, any connection between those files.
Sorry, like those, just a minute. Those file means suppose
like between dash summary and visited country. Like for example, I want if I make any changes in dashboard, then it will automatically show in the visited country, or if I make any changes in the visited country, it shows in the dash
see, it is
summary.
already, if yeah, there is an option here because we have that is under some other topic. Okay, if I, because there is a little big topic. Okay, because there is an option here, let me just go to slicer sync activity we have, where it's going, just a minute. See this one, sync slicer. Okay, so this option is available. Suppose if you change anything into your dashboard, it will automatically reflect all over these pages, automatic. Okay, you don't need to go on any other pages. Suppose in the dashboard summary, if you select suppose 2017, okay, then all the data for all the pages in only for 2017, not for any, like in these pages we have 2017, and for other pages you have 18, 19, or whole country, whole years. So if you select any sync slicer, you have options. If you click it here, so here is option of filter on this page or filter on all pages. So you have this option, and I will cover this option in next project. Okay, because it's taking longer time and it is very confusing in the first time, because it is taking almost, suppose if I select any slicer here, then go to next slicer and then rearrange together. Rearrange means this slicer will also work into with that slicer. If I need to change anything into here 2016, it also reflect into dashboard summary as well. Okay, so these are total interlinked. Yes, Power BI is interlinked together. And after that, suppose your Power BI report is complete, then you can just performance and summary into just Power BI slide, Power BI services. Okay, then publish, and then your report is ready, and then you can share your report with anyone. Okay, so this report is, I think, ready from my side, and you have to just complete heading page and the origin page in this. But you have a complete homework, then you have to maintain your file separately and then submit to me on Friday if it is possible. Otherwise, you can submit me on Wednesday. Oh, sorry, not on Friday. Wednesday or Friday, you can submit me that file. Okay. Done, or any other question? Okay, guys, then I think